Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening your spreadsheet and template together. Link them immediately so changes propagate. Connect fields now. Map first name, last name, email to placeholders in the document. Once done, preview a few rows to make sure salutations and punctuation line up. Make sure to set subject line and sender details if doing email merges. This establishes a reliable source and avoids errors later. So don't skip cleaning duplicates or inconsistent date formats before proceeding. Now you insert merge fields and apply formatting rules. Put them where content should repeat. Use conditional logic for optional lines. If an address is empty, suppress that paragraph so output looks natural. Once fields are in, generate a preview of 5-10 records and scan for broken lines, extra spaces, or wrong capitalization. Make adjustments to field formatting and paragraph styles, then re-preview. This middle step prevents mass errors and ensures personalization reads smoothly for every recipient. Finish by exporting merged files or sending emails in controlled batches. You'll want an audit log with status and timestamp. After exporting, open a final sample output to confirm line breaks and attachments. If you must send, throttle batches to avoid provider limits. If something goes wrong, stop. Check header spelling, field name matches, and data types. Often a missing header or stray comma causes failures. Correct the source, rerun on a small subset, then proceed when clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.